So, you are scrolling away on your laptop, and suddenly, the touchpad decides to go on a vacation. Frustrating, right? But fret not, I've got your back. Here's the deal: if your touchpad is acting up, try restarting your laptop first. If that doesn't work, check your touchpad settings in the control panel. Still no luck? Time to update your drivers or maybe even disable and re-enable the touchpad. And if all else fails, don't sweat it. Just give Sai Laptop Service a ring at 997-244-7766. They'll have your laptop back in tip-top shape in no time. Trust me, they're wizards when it comes to fixing laptop issues.